So today we're going to be diving into 4 Windows 11 features most people still aren't using in 2026. Now these are features that are often overlooked but insanely useful for your day-to-day use. So let's begin. So the first one actually is the Clipboard History. Now this is extremely useful if maybe you copied something earlier and you wanted to see it, and maybe you had multiple things that you copied and needed to paste, and then you lost something that you previously copied. By having this turned on, you simply could see the things that you previously copied, and you can access things that maybe you copied earlier on in the day. So for instance, let's say we want to copy this. We're going to go ahead and click copy. So now we have that. But let's say we were doing something else and now I just wanted ready and I copied ready. I can go and press the Windows button and V at the same time, and you'll see that it pops up your clipboard history, which we see here, and we can see that we had ready when you are, snap layouts, clipboard history, and we can go ahead and clear it when we like. So by opening this, by pressing Windows and V, you'll actually have all of these options available to you, which will allow you to work regularly without issue and being capable to use things that you wanted to paste earlier that maybe you may have lost. The next feature we'll be discussing is something called Focus Sessions. Now you can access this in the Clock app, which you can access by simply going into your search bar and typing in Clock. And once you find the Clock app and open this up, you'll be able to see Focus Sessions, Timer, Alarm, Stopwatch, but Focus Sessions is something that's pretty new. It allows you to stay on track with focus sessions, meaning we'll turn off notifications and app alerts during each session. For longer sessions, we'll add a short break so you can recharge. So if you want to get started, you press Get Started, and by doing this, it'll basically put you into Do Not Disturb mode. So you can go ahead and have it basically, like I said, turn off the notifications and app alerts during the session. For longer sessions, you can add in breaks if you like, but you can skip breaks as well. And your daily progress, you can set goals for yourself, as in how many minutes a day you actually focus. Let's say you wanted to focus on some sort of writing task or some sort of content creation task. By doing this, there won't be any alerts, and you'll be very focused and in tune with whatever it is that you are doing. You can even add the tasks here if you like, and saying specifically what it would be, and you can add a little plus or minus and adjust it accordingly. As you can see here, choose a task list, open a to-do list, or collapse completely. And finally, in focus sessions, you can also connect your Spotify. So let's say you wanted to utilize Spotify to enhance focus sessions. Maybe you want to listen to music or a podcast. You can. So by simply installing the Spotify app and connecting it, you can have that included into your focus session. And you can obviously set a timer for however long you want to be working. And in the case you don't want breaks, simply click No Breaks. Set everything else up, and then you would click Start Focus Session, and this would turn off all the notifications and distractions so you can focus on your work. The next feature we'll be discussing is something that is in the File Explorer app. So you can go ahead into your search bar and type in File Explorer, or find it on your desktop. Once you're in File Explorer, one thing that people often overlook in Windows 11 is that you actually have file tabs now. This is fantastic for if you're doing something in File Explorer that you don't want to, that you want to focus on and have something else going on at the same time. You can easily do this now. So for instance, while we're here at home, I can go ahead and open a new tab, and in this tab I can see my other stuff. I can collapse this if I like, and I can go ahead and let's say I wanted to go to desktop. I can open up desktop, and at the same time I would still have my home tab open here, and I can work in 2 directions at the same time without it interfering with each other. And now a beautiful thing too with this is that a lot of people don't realize is, let's say I'm doing something here and I want to do something else in this same type of tab on this one. I can go ahead and right click this and go ahead and duplicate that tab, and now I have both tabs open right here for me to access, and I could be doing one thing here and another thing here and operating all within the File Explorer app. The fourth and final feature we'll be discussing today is actually the Windows Customization Quick Access button, which is down here. So you can see this by simply scrolling over it, and you'll see your little sound icon or your internet icon. You can go ahead and click that, and while being here, you can adjust these settings quickly without having to go into your settings itself. And you can customize this however you like, as well as customizing the settings. But as you can see here, we have our internet available, our Bluetooth, airplane mode, accessibility, mobile hotspot, night light if we like, as well as energy saver mode that we can just toggle on at any point, wired display, project mode, live captions, and nearby sharing, as well as the audio customization if needed. And you can go ahead and simply click settings if you want to go directly into your settings. But this is a great way to quickly do things while working, and it's a feature a lot of people overlook on Windows 11 in 2026. And a lot of people will simply just go and search settings and look for specific things when you have this quick access bar, and you can customize it to your liking so that you have the exact things that you need to adjust on the go while working. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.